But here's something even more surprising. Baking soda lowers levels of ghrelin, the hormone responsible for hunger and cravings. This means fewer cravings, less snacking, and easier calorie control. Without extreme dieting, want a simple way to use this? Drink a morning reset drink with half a teaspoon of baking soda, lemon juice, and warm water. It naturally boosts digestion, alkalizes the body, and reduces hunger, making weight loss effortless. But baking soda doesn't just help with fat loss. It also protects something even more important, your joints. If you're over 50, you've probably felt stiff joints, aching knees, or trouble moving your fingers. The main cause, chronic inflammation. But instead of treating the root issue, the medical industry spends billions on painkillers that only mask the symptoms. This is where baking soda comes in. A study from the Medical College of Georgia found that baking soda can reprogram the immune system to reduce inflammation by up to 40%. Patients who regularly consumed baking soda reported less joint pain and swelling in just a few weeks. Using it is incredibly simple. A bath with 1 cup of baking soda in warm water can help soothe aching joints. Want an even stronger effect? Drinking half a teaspoon of baking soda in water after meals can neutralize excess acidity and reduce inflammation inside the body. The best part, it works fast, safely, and is backed by science, without expensive medications or risky side effects. But if baking soda is this powerful, why isn't everyone using it? The truth is, most people don't know how to use it correctly. So let's talk about how to get all the benefits without the risks. Baking soda is more than just a kitchen ingredient. It's a forgotten superfood with incredible health benefits. It can balance your pH, boost your endurance, detox your body, speed up fat loss, and even reduce joint pain. But almost nobody is using it correctly. That doesn't mean you should start consuming unlimited amounts. The right dosage is key. Just half a teaspoon in water per day can work wonders. But too much can disrupt stomach acid balance. Less is more. But the right amount can revolutionize your health. If you've watched this far, you're part of the 2% of people who now know this secret. But knowledge is useless if you don't act on it. Try it yourself and feel the difference. Did this video help you? Then share it with a friend who needs to know this. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful health tips. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever used baking soda for your health? What was your experience? Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could transform your health and boost your performance? Most people think of baking soda only as a baking ingredient, but this common household powder holds scientific secrets that can supercharge your body from the inside out. Here's the shocking truth. 98% of people are using baking soda completely wrong and missing out on its powerful benefits. Today, I'm revealing the science-backed effects of baking soda that could change your life forever. And the best part, it costs less than a cup of coffee per month. Before we start, hit that subscribe button if you want simple, powerful health hacks that actually work. Now let's dive in. Your body relies on a precise pH balance between 7.35 and 7.45 to function properly. But as we age, our natural bicarbonate levels decline, leading to acidity, inflammation, and energy loss. The result, joint pain, poor digestion, and slower recovery after exercise. Think of your body like a car engine. Over time, acidic waste builds up, making it less efficient. Your kidneys, which regulate this balance, start to struggle. This leads to toxin buildup, faster muscle fatigue, and increased inflammation, all of which speed up aging and disease. But here's where baking soda changes the game. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that supplementing with baking soda can increase bicarbonate levels in the blood by 30% in just 90 minutes. This gives your body the reset it desperately needs, like an oil change for your system. And the best part? This natural biohack costs just pennies per day. But this is only the beginning. What happens when we use baking soda to unlock peaks, physical performance? Have you ever felt like your muscles burn out too fast during exercise? The culprit is lactic acid, which builds up in your muscles, causing that painful burning sensation. The more intense the workout, the more hydrogen ions flood your muscles, making it harder to keep going. This is where baking soda steps in. It works as a natural buffer, neutralizing excess acid and allowing your muscles to perform longer and more efficiently. A study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that athletes who drank baking soda before exercise increased their endurance by 2%. That may sound small, but in sports, it's the difference between an exhausting workout and one that feels surprisingly easy. So how do you use it? Forget expensive sports drinks. The simplest method is half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. Want even better results? Add a pinch of sea salt to improve electrolyte absorption. If you've noticed your stamina fading over the years, this one simple tweak could make you feel decades younger in the gym or on the treadmill. But that's just one benefit. What if we use baking soda for something even more powerful? Detoxing the body from hidden toxins. Most detox trends are a scam. Juice cleansers, they spike your blood sugar. Expensive detox teas, usually just overpriced laxatives. Real detox happens at the cellular level, and baking soda is the missing key. Your kidneys and liver are responsible for filtering out toxins. But as you age, they become less efficient. This allows heavy metals, uric acid, and harmful waste to linger in your body, leading to fatigue and inflammation. Baking soda helps by neutralizing acidity and improving kidney function, allowing your body to flush out toxins faster. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda supplementation slowed kidney decline by 67%. That means better health, higher energy, and stronger disease resistance. But it doesn't stop there. Here's something almost nobody talks about. A simple foot soak with baking soda can pull toxins from your body through the skin. In just 20 minutes, a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda and a splash of apple cider vinegar can help remove contaminants and restore pH balance. It's an ancient remedy, but science now backs it up. But what if I told you that baking soda could also help you lose weight? Most people focus on calories and carbs when trying to lose weight, but after 50, the real enemy is a slowing metabolism. And that's exactly where baking soda can make a difference. The biggest problem: insulin resistance. The reason belly fat becomes harder to lose. When your blood becomes too acidic, insulin becomes less effective, making it harder for your body to burn fat for energy. Baking soda helps restore pH balance, increasing insulin sensitivity so your body can process fat more efficiently. A Harvard Medical School study found that participants who consumed alkalizing compounds like baking soda saw a 12% boost in metabolic efficiency. That means more fat burning, even at rest.